Hi everyone, I'm Miss Edina from BECE 1C11. So, for this video, ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo ang position, displacement, at distance. So, mag-umpisa po tayo sa position. So, what is position? Position is describing the motion of a particle is to set up a coordinate system that define its location. So, ang position daw po, yung nade-describe ng location ng object. So, let's proceed to distance. Distance is the length from one point to another, usually measured in a straight line. Distance is equals to total length of travel. So, yan po. Para mas maintindihan natin yung distance, nagbigay po ako ng example. House A, House B, and House C. So, let's say, yung distance po ng House A to House B is 2.1 miles. And ang House B to House C is 4.3 miles. So, ito pong line na to, ito pong straight line na to, ito po yung x-axis natin. Ang coordinate system po. So, kung nakikita nyo, ang arrow ay papunta sa right side. So, ibig sabihin po nito ay positive. Ayan naman po. Malalaman naman po natin kung negative, kung yung initial position po ay mas mababa sa final position. Mas mataas sa final position. So, for example, kukunin po natin yung distance ng House A to House C. So, para makuha yan, pagpaplasin mo lang po yung distance ng House A to House B at saka ang distance ng House B to House C. So, 2.1 plus 4.3 is equals to 6.4 mile. So, ayan po. So, since naka-miles po siya, i-convert po natin siya to meter. So, 1 mile is equivalent to 1,609 meter. So, para makuha po natin yung value ng 6.4 miles to meter, ay i-convert po natin siya ng 6.4 times 1,609 meter over 1 mile. So, para makancel natin yung mile dito at matira na lang yung meter. So, cancel. 6.4 times 1,000. So, 6.4 times 1,609 meters over 1 mile. So, kaya ko nilagyan ng over 1 mile para makancel yung unit na mile. So, 6.4 times 1,609 meter is equals to 10,297.60 meters. So, ganyan lang kadali kung paano makukuha yung distance. So, let's proceed to displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is the change in position specified by a length and a direction. Displacement is equals to change in position is equals to final position minus initial position. So, ito siya. Delta x minus final position minus initial position. So, para di kayo malito, may pagkakaiba ang distance at displacement. Sa distance, ang hinahanap niya is yung total length of travel. Dito naman sa displacement is yung change in position. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, magbibigay ako ng example. So, for example, galing ka sa House B. So, ito ang final, ito ang initial position. So, kung pupunta ka sa House C, tapos, pagdating mo sa House C, bumalik ka ulit sa House B. So, ito na ang final position. So, ano ba ang initial position ni House B? So ang length niya is 2.1 miles. So, ang House B ay 2.1 miles. So, ang final initial din niya is sa House C, sa House B. So, parehas lang sila. So, So, at gamit tong formula to, masasolve ko na siya. So, final position minus initial position, 2.1 miles minus 2.1 miles is equals to 0. So, ganyan lang kadali kung paano makukuha yung displacement. Example number 1. From the previous example, suppose you take a trip from house A to house C and then to house B. So, ang hinahanap dito ay A is the displacement for this trip positive, negative, or 0. B, find the displacement for this trip. C, what is the distance covered in this trip? So, umpisahan natin sa letter A. Is the displacement for this trip is positive or negative? So, sabi dito sa examples, suppose you take a trip from house A. So, dito ka sa house A to house C, pumunta ka sa house C, and then, bumalik ka sa house B. So, ang initial position niya is house A, at ang final position niya is house B. So, ang sagot sa A is final position is greater than to initial position. So, ibig sabihin, ang position natin ay positive. Kasi, mas malaki yung final position niya to initial position. Magiging negative siya kung mas mataas ang initial position sa may final position. So, B. Find the displacement for this trip. So, from house A to house C to house B. So, ang distance ng house A to house B is 2.1 mile at ang distance ng house B to house C is 4.3 miles. So, ang titingnan lang natin dito ay yung initial position at final position. Kung natatandaan nyo, ang formula natin ay delta x is equals to final position minus initial position. So, asan ba ang final position natin? So, nandito sa house B. So, ano ang distance niya? Is equals to 2.1 miles. So, 2.1 miles minus initial position. Ang initial position natin na ay nasa house A. So, 0 siya. Minus 0. So, 2.1 miles minus 0 is equals to 2.1 miles. So, ito na ang ating displacement. So, letter C. What is the distance covered in this trip? So, from house A to house C, kukunin natin yung distance niya. A to C plus yung distance ng C to B. C to B. So, ano ba yung distance ng house A to house C? So, pagpa-plus lang natin itong 2.1 miles tsaka yung 4.3 miles is equals to 6.4 mile. So, yung distance naman ng C to house B is 4.3 miles. 4.3 miles. So, pagpa-plus lang natin siya, 6.4 miles plus 4.3 miles is equals to 10.7 miles. So, ito na yung kabuuang distance na na-travel to house A to house C and then C to house B.